Chatham neighborhood. This is off of Tara Boulevard. We are in Hampton, Lovejoy area. So I already saw the very first unit. This is the second model that they have available. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh, that's nice. Look at the floors. That looks really good. I like that. Wow. Beautiful kitchen. This is really nice. So that's where the refrigerator would go. So the kitchen, so this one is actually very similar to the one next door. So I'm sure, yes, this is the garage. So 2-car garage. It's nice. Living area. So very similar. That's the pantry. Okay. This is where the refrigerator would go. So you do not get a dining room space versus where in the one next door you did, and then in the one, but they gave you like a little, you can do this idea with the bar, and then you also have extra seating here. So that's actually really nice. Okay. But living room space, like they have smaller furniture in here just so everything kind of fits. But if you're someone like me with really big furniture, then you're gonna have to rethink how you do this. Let's see, can we go outside? Okay. So you get a little pad when you step out the door, and they're still building, so you're gonna have neighbors in the back of you living somewhere like this, but you get a partial fence on both sides just to be able to give you a little bit of privacy. Okay. All right. And here, half bath, pedestal sink. Nice. Okay, let's check out upstairs. All right. So coming up the stairs, I take it, this is immediately going to be, yep, the laundry room. That's the laundry room. And like I said, that's immediately off the staircase there. So the hallway is made different than the last unit. Okay, so I take it this is the master. It's a large room, big enough to get a king bed in here for sure. So you have the bathroom, double sink. That's nice. It's very spacious in here. I will say that it's enough room to move around. Water closet. Simple. Okay, and then you get the master walk-in. There's a light in here. There we go. So closet is a decent size. I'm pretty sure You could probably get his and her clothes in there. Okay, let's go down the hall. Okay, let's see. So you have a guest bathroom here in the hallway. Looks like it's going to connect to this bedroom, which it does. Then you have a small closet in my opinion, but that's just me. But it is closet space, good enough for a child. This bedroom here is large enough to fit a king bed in also, but more than likely comfortably, you probably would want to put a queen in there with other furniture, just so it's not so cramped. This room here, probably would want to do the same. Have a queen bed in here, just so it's not so cramped, but it's a nice size for a child. Okay, and another small closet. Okay, and that is the whole unit.